Tak jest?
Nie zapinamy, nie zapinamy. Uwaga, uwaga.
Stop screwing, please. 83.
Up you go, 74.
Fuck me, that's tall. Oh, is this how it works? Oh, 78. Oh my god.
The brakes.
I actually thought the GoPro was going to come off my head there. Like, it actually was shaking about there. I have to tighten that up next time. 98. I'm positively dead, so...
Why are you still starting Fernando? I was giving you that.
You could argue just run around. You could argue just run around and do the friggin' energy pass now and get, because we're probably not...